How to nudge in TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to nudge in TikTok. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. So first of all, before knowing how to nudge, you simply need to know what is nudge on TikTok. So, nudging is a feature on TikTok that allows users to gently remind their friends or followers to engage with a specific video. When you nudge someone, it's a reminder for them to watch, like, or comment on the video. In order to use nods on TikTok, first of all, you need to select a particular video that you want to share and then tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of this video. Then after that you will simply see the nod option. You have to tap it and a list of your friends and followers will appear. And then you have to select one or more users to send the nudge to. Then you have to tap the nudge or send button and a notification will be sent on the selected users. So if you receive a nudge, you will get a notification. Then you have to tap on the notification to view the video that was shared with you. And that's it. Now you know how to use the nudge features on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.